very summer-like day. Could get a little stormy later on.
It looks like we're looking at the possibility of thunderstorms just by mid to late afternoon. We're going to be tracking a similar situation that we've had the recent days with the same cold front, possibly generating some thunderstorms later this afternoon. We'll start with that graphic first of all, but look at the possibility of more rain, if nothing else, and maybe some stronger thunderstorms. There's the moon first of all. This is time-lapse from our Lewis Donato camera from the studio. Looking to the west first thing this morning. Notice the moonlight, then peak of sun, then all of a sudden here comes the rain out of the west. Pretty robust little batch of showers right around 7:30 this morning. Quick 1/1500ths of an inch of rain here at the studio from that. Now looking at peaks of sunshine, slightly breezy, warm, humid day. That's from near Grand Meadow with our Lewis Donato camera. Here at the studio, Northwest Rochester, it's 78. Right now the winds out of the south and southwest 16 miles per hour, dew point 63, relative humidity 70%. A lot of 70s and a few 80s in the map already. Rochester 77, it's 81 in Austin, Red Wing 79, Rushford 77. On our way to yet another 80-degree day, though officially we've only had one this week. We were in the upper 70s over the weekend, but at the airport, upper 70s, not quite 80. Yesterday, we did manage to officially reach 82, the third warmest day of the month so far. We may surpass that today as the trend carries us into the afternoon with some little sun. 77, those southwest winds with some of that occasional sunshine helping that cause. Dew point 67, so a rather sticky situation. The wind, though, is mixing that out, so maybe not feeling as muggy as otherwise it would, but looking for scattered thunderstorms to feed on that fuel and that instability, that warm, moisture-laden air. A lot of buoyancy in the atmosphere. All of those energy ingredients leading to energy in the atmosphere that will prime the atmosphere for some storms later on. And then less humidity in the air. Dry, crisp, cool Canadian air mass comes in tomorrow. And then Thursday looks solidly wet with a lot of rain headed our way, or at least a fair amount of it. Right now some sun, some clouds across the map, but no rain so far. Looking at one front approaching the area that's going to trigger some thunderstorms. A reinforcing shot comes in later tonight and draws in some cooler air yet. Future track try to kick off an isolated shower or two. It is possible. None are on the radar right now though, but look to the afternoon around 4:30, 5 o'clock. There's that line of storms that will fire up along that cold front. The best chances of activity from Rochester to the east. That is because the front is pretty much going to be oriented in this area, and peak heating of that daytime sun will then trigger those storms, and the best chance of strong activity will be eastward after about 4 or 5 o'clock until about 8 when the activity migrates into Wisconsin and eventually Illinois. So we saw this earlier, showers early this morning. We had that lull here, and now by 3 or 4 o'clock, a couple of storms pop up. Strongest activity, most widespread stuff around 5 to 7, maybe 8 o'clock this evening, and as much as half an inch or more instead of the heavier downpours. So 4 until 8 o'clock, the severe threat today, large hail, damaging winds, and some downpours of rain. Tomorrow, that severe risk is south and west of us. Pretty quiet day for us. 70s right now, but look northwestward, 50s on the map. And there are days this week we will stay in that range all day as there are going to be some cooler temperatures ahead of us and less humidity. We have dew points in the 60s and 70s, really rich stuff, very dry, 40s and 30s. That kind of stuff is headed our way. So increasing storm chances this afternoon until about 8 o'clock. Then sky is clear as that front moves through. It's topping out around 83 today with, again, those thunderstorms into late afternoon. Temperatures tonight in the 50s overnight, something we've not done since last Tuesday night, a full week since we've had a seasonably cool night. Here are the thunderstorms along that front as that pushes through in the afternoon hours by tonight. Behind that front, a cool, drier breeze. We'll have temperatures tomorrow for highs in the upper 60s with plenty of sunshine, low humidity content, atmosphere going on for us. And then showers come in first thing Thursday morning. So rain on Thursday, some thunder as well with the storm system centered south of us. Half inch or more of rainfall. The showers taper off early Friday. And the weekend looks pretty good. A little bit of rain on Sunday afternoon, perhaps Monday. And then, of course, you see that early Friday. But about half the weekend looks completely dry with a small dose of rain Sunday and Monday. And temperatures over the next several days looking, well, a little bit cooler at first, but improving to more seasonal levels over the course of the weekend, closer to 70 by then. Low and mid 80s today, Zumbrota 84, Austin 83, Preston 80, here at Rochester 83, breezy, warm, some sun, some clouds, and some thunderstorms by late afternoon. Southwest winds around 20 miles per hour. Tonight, some storms at first, then we'll see things clear off before sunset, 55. And then tomorrow, a lot of sunshine, low humidity, kind of a cool northwest breeze up to 20 miles per hour. 68 for your Wednesday, 50s Thursday and Friday. And then we'll go into the weekend time frame with some seasonably mild spring weather and some shower chances, often on Monday, unfortunately, for part of the day, and then just a small chance on Sunday ahead of that.
Maybe feeling more like April for a few days there, too.
Well, yeah, the end of this week, yeah, 50s, that's definitely something very April-like, yeah.
Different. Thank you.